Hey guys, welcome back to PhotoCut. In today's video, we're going to see how to improve the quality of a photo using Photoshop. First, load the image in Photoshop. Click on Edit, go to Preferences, and click on Technology Previews. After that, tick Enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale and click on OK. After that, go to Image and click on Image Size. As you can see, the current image size is 700 by 463 pixels. We'll increase the size to 2000 by 1323 pixels, and under Resample, select Preserve Details 2.0 and reduce noise to 20%, then click OK. And your image quality is improved. But there's an even easier way you can do this. By just using your phone. Start by downloading the PhotoCut app, using the link provided in the description below. After installing the app, open it to discover its numerous features. It's designed to boost your creative potential in ways you never thought were possible with a mobile app. Begin by selecting the AI Enhance feature. You will then have the option to choose an existing photo from your gallery or capture a new one. For this tutorial, I will use the same photo. Now, PhotoCut's advanced AI technology takes over. It operates swiftly and efficiently, eliminating the need for any manual intervention on your part. And just like that, your image's quality is improved, leaving it ready for any creative endeavor you have in mind. However, PhotoCut's offerings don't stop there. When exporting your edited photo, you are given the choice between PNG and JPG formats. Moreover, PhotoCut ensures that you don't have to compromise on quality. It allows you to select your preferred resolution to guarantee that your photo remains sharp and vibrant in any setting. And that's how you effortlessly improve the quality of any image using AI. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Also, don't forget to take your photo editing to the next level by downloading the PhotoCut app. Available now on both the Play Store and App Store. Click the link in the description to download PhotoCut and start creating stunning images today. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.